How do viruses spread? Throughout the world, we have tons of viruses flying everywhere. But how does the virus spread? We have 5 major categories of infectious agents: viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and helminths. Let's leave aside the others and look at virus. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that only replicates inside the living cells of an organism. They are tiny, sizes from 20 to 40 nanometers in diameter. Billions can fit on the head of a pin. Some are rod-shaped. Others are round and 20-sided. Viruses must move 3 stages to have successful infections to hosts. First, contact with host. Second, infection and replication. Third, transmission. Let's look at influenza flu. First, viruses spread from tiny droplets that fly out when coughed, sneezed, or spoken. 2, they move through the air and land on mouths and noses of people nearby. 3, people with the flu can transfer it to other hosts without it. Stage 1 was done when someone spread his or her virus to you. For now, we will look at stage 2. The virus goes through the host's respiratory tract. This isn't difficult, but to survive in a new body, it has to mount a successful infection before it's caught and broken by an immune response. To accomplish this task, viruses have involved specific interactions with their host species. Human flu viruses are covered in protein to bind with matching receptors on human respiratory cells. Once inside a cell, the virus employs additional adaptations to hijack the host cell's reproductive machinery and replicate its own genetic material. Now the virus only needs to suppress the host's immune system long enough to replicate sufficient levels and infect more cells. At this point, a flu can be passed on to its next victim by being sneezed, coughed, or spoken. This is stage 3. However, this simple sneeze can go in contact with pets, plants, or even food. Here are some ways you and everyone else can stay safe. 1. When you are sick, stay in bed and don't go outside. 2. When you are sure someone is sick, call a doctor and get medicine. 3. Always wash your hands before eating, after eating, going to the toilet and touching dirty stuff. 4. When you cough or sneeze, use a tissue and then wash your hands thoroughly with soap. 5. If a person is sick and they have to go outside, use a mask. Viruses are everywhere, but that doesn't stop us from stopping them.